So if you click on this upload, you're trying to decide which gears is better for your Hemi Ram, 321s or 392. There's a lot of back and forth stuff about this. So you click on the right video, I'm definitely going to be helping you guys out. Answer that problem for you if you got a Hemi Ram. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's upload, I'm going to be sharing with you guys, there's a lot of people who have their own personal opinions about which gears is better for your truck when it comes to 392 or 321. So I'm going to be answering this question in only my personal opinion. So here's what I personally know and what I think. When it comes to 392 gears, the real question, and 321 gears, the real question you want to be able to ask yourself first is what I'm trying to look into, what kind of power are like you trying to make out of your Dodge Ram, your Hemi Ram, or your Ram, whatever you want to call it. So once you find out what kind of power you're looking to do, let's say you're strictly trying to do more than bolt on, like trying to make some real power, take your truck to the drag strip and gap, Mustangs, Scat Packs, or whatever car you decide you want to race. So here's what I'm going to tell you. So then my answer will be the 321 gears. 321 gears. Why? Because you will have a better takeoff time, and also shift a lot more, faster pretty much. You will have an even faster way to be able to gap whatever car you want to race. That's just my personal opinion. But on the other hand, if you really don't want to make too much power with your car or truck, or your truck specifically, your Ram, and you just want to do a little bit cold air intake, exhaust, you're not trying to make any kind of real crazy power, then I would suggest that you look into sticking to the 392 gears and stuff on your truck, because you're not really trying to go to the drag strip and play, have fun and stuff like that. So smartest thing, I'll say 392. So 392 gears is like you're not really making any kind of crazy power, and 321 gears to me honestly is you making some real huge power, and you trying to gap whatever car you want to race. So once you have it figured out, like, okay, this is what I want to do with my Ram, it's the gear you should go with. So 392, you're not really making that much power, and 321, you are trying to make a lot of power. So now, I think that 321 gears shift a lot better. So I personally would want to go with 321 gears because it shift a lot better. And like me, I want to make some real power out of my truck in the future. So I would want to switch over to 321 gears. But a lot of people got their own personal opinion, like when it comes to which one is better. I keep hearing 392 gears, 321 gears, but here's a simple breakdown. I just told you. When you decide what you really want to make, what kind of power you really want to make out of your Ram, then if you're looking to make some serious power, switch over to 321 gear. But if you're not looking to make some real crazy power, then 392 gears is the way to go. But either way, I personally would want to go, even if I'm trying to make some power, but not nothing too crazy, but I go to 321 gears. Why? Because it shifts a lot better, and also you are gonna have your takeoff time gonna be a lot more quicker than if you having a 392 gears. That's just what I personally think. And there's a lot of guys out there on YouTube who has any kind of real Ram channel, like Dodge Ram channel, who really about making real power. Most of them, majority of them, have 321 gears. I'm not just saying that but it's definitely facts, because if you making power, you gotta the 321 gears, they shift a lot smoother. So, but the answer come down to what you really want to do. And I know a lot of people gonna want to don't never base your opinion on what somebody else is saying. Me personally, I'll do your own research, and it will tell you that 321 gears is strictly for if you making some kind of crazy power. If you want to make some kind of crazy power in 392 gears, you could run 392 gears if you're making some good power. But me personally, I just think that your takeoff time wouldn't really be as sufficient as you trying to. It'll take a lot more time for your car to shift compared to you doing 321 gears. But I just strictly answer you guys' questions. So if you're in the market trying to find out which one is better for your Ram, me personally, I would pick the 321 gears. And if you want to make that power, even if you don't want to make that power, it makes more sense to switch over to the 321 gears. But it all comes down to what you want to do. So definitely, here's one thing to keep in mind, man. If you are a Mopar guy, you like these Hemi Ram, this is a Ram channel I upload every day consistently. So make sure to give your boy a follow or subscribe, like this, and definitely check out my last upload. It was a pretty interesting topic, so definitely go check that out. And make sure to show love to the Hemi Ram. I know Ram don't really have too much rep like that on YouTube. These Hemi Ram don't have that much rep, and I know a few channel that I know that really. There's one channel I know, he has the same truck as me, same year, that he makes some great power. I also watch him. So if you love these Rams, when it's done right, they can definitely make some great power. So just keep that in mind. The guys who like talking ish about Ram, but if you a Mopar guy, definitely check out my last upload. Follow the channel. I got some big things coming for this truck. So check out my last upload. It should be somewhere over here.